I'm here with the Icon Airflite Helmet. As you can see, bam, I have the mirrored shield on it. So a lot of people have been asking me, how is it exactly that you hooked up your GoPro to it? And to be honest, at first what I did was I hooked up a standard GoPro attachment to the bottom here. And I had to use tie wraps around this Bane-like venting system in order to hold it in place. Then I just ran my my mic cord through the bottom. It wouldn't latch properly. It ended up coming a little bit loose while I was riding, and it started vibrating on me, and I did not like that. So what I did was I did some investigation, and I found a certain group that put out chin mounts. They're called motorrads.com. Motorrads.com. They make one specifically for the Icon Airflite helmet. So I ordered that. I've been waiting on it, with everything with coronavirus happening, it took more time than expected. So, but it's here and I've got it now, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing with it. So stay tuned. All right, my people, you're gonna get to watch me install it. It shouldn't be very hard, so let's get this. All right, so step number one says to clean the mounting area. They provided an sterile alcohol prep pad, so we're just gonna take that. Just peel off the red film from the TM, or from the 3M tape, excuse me. See these little hooks? These are gonna hook up to the bottom Bane venting area. It's gonna hook up just like that, clip onto it. The 3M tape is gonna hold it. See how it folds around? All right. So let's peel the tape. Alright, so like this. Alright, well, take the two hooks, hook it to the bottom, press it up against it, press down firmly. Make sure you keep pressure on this so the adhesive sticks properly. Alright, I've got it mounted, as you can see. All I've got to do is slide my GoPro onto this. Just real quick while we're here, I want to show you what I did with my mic. I took the mic and I actually ran it back behind all the padding. Back through the back over there, all the way around on that side, all the way around to this side. And I've got it sitting right there. Now once I hook my GoPro up to it, I'll disconnect this. And I'll run it through one of these. Then I'll just connect it to my GoPro. But I'm gonna set it up to where I can pull some extra slack and have it running up with my shield so that as I open and close, it opens and closes with it. That way it can be like this. All right. So my friends, that is exactly what you need to hook up a proper chin mount for your Icon Airflite helmet. I know you've probably been struggling with it, but make sure you check out motorrads.com. They have a bunch of them. I got mine from Amazon. I've noticed with Amazon, sometimes they have them, sometimes they don't, but go to their website, man, motorrads.com. It's motorrads.com. All right, until the next one, y'all be blessed. Have a great day. Peace.
With